What is up, everybody? So, got a fun project today. Check it out. As you can see, I've got all my power tools lined up here. I built that mount system when I first got that box, and it's worked awesome for me. Super easy and convenient just to grab tools. But as you can see, I'm out of space. I recently got the Hercules Impact, and I'll probably start investing in the Hercules line and some of the other stuff that Bauer doesn't have. But as you can see, I'm out of space. Also, I don't know if you can see it in there, but behind all those tools is a junk trap, and it really drives me insane. So I wanted to change that up a little bit, and I'll show you how I did it. So stay tuned, and it's going to be pretty awesome, I hope. So anyway, here we go. With the help of my kid and beautiful wife, we got the hutch put on top of the toolbox. Again, don't do this. This is dangerous. I'm taking precautions so it doesn't fall over and kill me. So anyway, um, I built some side plates to attach the top and bottom together. Figured while I was there making side plates, I might as well make some attachments on there for stuff that I use all the time. I'll show you that later. Then I'm also working on the drawer slide outs where all the power tools and some other stuff will go. So I don't know if you can see that very well. That wasn't welded, that was just magnetized. So anyway, there's your update. I got another one over here. This, I forgot to put a couple things on this one, so I am rebuilding it to trying to engineer the slide and everything so it works, but I'll give you an idea of how I hope it's gonna work. So drills will be lined up along here like it was before, but now this will roll out. There'll be a back shelf. Imagine this back shelf like a pegboard or whatever, and then as if like magic, the shelf slides down agonizingly slow. So if anybody has a link to a faster actuator that's 18 inches, let me know. All right, so I've got the back panels built back here. I got everything powder coated. Got my little switch box built, but it's just temporary. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this center section here yet, but should work. Don't mind that. Should work pretty good, other than it's slow. It's something I'm gonna work on. All right, kind of hard to see in there because it's dark because I turned the light off, but the light was drowning out the video. So anyway, here's what it looks like with everything stacked on there for the most part, and the back walls down. Still got to decide what I'm going to put on those and build mounts for them, but that's what it looks like down. And then you just push the drawers in. Close it up. Good to go. So over here, you can see, sorry about the light. Got my Allen wrenches, torch over there, paper towels, Dremel, gloves, paper. Pretty good. Everything's within reach. Over here I got zip tie rack, Gojo, fire extinguisher, sunglass or safety glasses, hearing protection, all that kind of stuff on this side. It's working out pretty sweet. So I don't know. Tell me what your thoughts are. Tell me what you think. If you think it's dumb, let me know. If you think it's cool, let me know. Either way, comment, share it with your friends. I think it's cool.